Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna do a fridge tour or what's in my fridge. So let's start. Alright, let's start. Alright, this is our fridge and freezer. So this is the outside look. I have a little whiteboard. Stick on it. I write it down all the important events during the week, or if we have any appointment, I write it down there so I won't forget. Just remind me. And here I have my baby photo with Santa Claus, and that is so classic because he's crying, obviously. And the magnets are on the side of the fridge. I'm not going to show you that. And here, this is the checklist of my baby immunization. Right, so first, I'm going to show you So let's start here. We have milk, apple juice, and iced tea. I don't normally drink apple juice and iced tea, my husband do. And these are the condiments. The iced coffee there. We have some mustard, whole grain mustard, some seasoning, some mayonnaise there, and of course, I'm Asian. We always have oyster sauce. And in this section, we have olives, cucumber, we have jalapeno, we love that, and some tartar sauce there. Tartar sauce, here. Pickles. And that's what we have in this section. And on this section, we have cut milk. If you notice, there's no egg section here. I literally remove it because ever since my baby was been diagnosed with egg allergy, I started not buying egg just for time being, just for a short period of time. And maybe in the future, he'll be okay. He'll grow out of it, so I'll be buying egg by then. Anyway, so in here in the upper section, we have some drinks, sparkling apple, and we got the yogurt in here. And this one is bacon. I haven't got a chance to put that in the little plastic because I usually separate them. And then this one is feta cheese. We have rolled cabbage in here, and we have wines in here. That's for my husband because I'm still breastfeeding, so I don't drink alcoholic drinks. So in this section, we have some cakes, cupcakes there at the back, and this one here, I like this one, lamington roll, jam flavor. And here, Pepsi. I normally drink Pepsi. Some ranch here because the other day we had takeaway. And that's milk. And this is for baby Michael. He's antihistamine because he have allergy, so, and he have some itchiness from time to time, so just in case he needs it, it's there. And some cold water. And here in this section, we have some different kinds of cheese and butter, so just put it there. And in this section, my baby still have his breakfast. This is only good for 12 hours once you open it, and after that, if you're not gonna give to your baby, just throw it away. And another Pepsi in here, some drinks, and another pickle. And then in this section, we have some fruit because it's summer here now in Australia, so we have some tropical fruit like watermelon, pineapple and some fruit there. And then in this section is the veggies. Not a lot, but tomorrow I need to buy some vegetable. So basically that's it. So that's our fridge, and freezer temperature is -17 degrees. So this is our freezer. So that's the overview. I'll show you the overview. In this section, I have a little towel here just in case that my baby gets sick and he needs a cold compress. I can just grab here and it's ready. I have some ice cream in here and some frozen bread for burger buns, and this one is the raisin bread. I'm the one that eats raisin bread. My husband doesn't like raisin bread, so I'm the one that eats that. And then here in the top is just box meal, frozen box meal. We got the lasagna there, fresh pie, not fresh, frozen pie there, frozen pastry there that I use when I make apple pie or whatever. And here in this section I have some frozen meats. So these are the burger. I put it there, and meats, different kinds of meats there, all frozen. And in this section are sweet section. I call it sweet section. I have some ice cream there, Mars, and then we have vanilla ice cream. We had sorbet, frozen blueberry, frozen yogurt there at the back, and some other lollies there at the back. And in this section it's a meat as well. In this section we have meat again, and I have some corned beef in there, some other frozen meal. And in this section we have frozen vegetable, frozen peas. And in this section we have some hash brown and some other frozen chips there. And here a lot of chicken in here. I put it into a separate plastic. And that's it. That's the end of the video, and you've seen what's inside our fridge. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.